This is the announcer bunny saying, this is the announcer bunny saying, now watch this.
What is going on, guys? Welcome to J Magic Watch. I finally have another video here for you guys after a 1-year hiatus. And I have this super cool and easy magic trick for you guys here, and I'll be performing this to you guys right now. So I don't have a spectator with me, but what I'll do with the spectator, if I did have one, is that I would tell them to cut about half of the deck and then hang on to it. So cut half of the deck and let's pretend that they are hanging on to it. And then let's focus on this other half here. Now I'll tell them to take any card they want. So let's say it's just that card right there. I don't know what the card is, but I'm not trying to look. Okay, hopefully you guys got that. And then I'll just pretty much tell them, okay, now put it, right here. And then I'll be doing all kinds of shuffles and whatever, but I'm not gonna do that for you guys now, just to save time. So now I'll be like, okay, now I'm gonna trade decks with you. So now we trade decks. Now I'm gonna tell them that I'm gonna be counting the cards slowly, and pretty much, and then you just tell me when to stop. So just deal down cards one by one. And then let's say they stop me right there. This card is a 7. So now I'm gonna say, okay, I want you to do down 7 cards, cause we landed on a 7. So 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, and that 7th card will be your card. That is the trick, guys, and hopefully you enjoyed it. And please stick around for the tutorial. All right, guys. So this trick seemed pretty the performance was pretty self-explanatory, but I'm just going to give you a step-by-step how to perform this trick. So pretty much what you need first is you're going to have to set this up first. So what you're going to have to do is get all the 6s and 7s and then put them on the top of your deck, and then every second card will be a 6 or a 7. So we have 1 card, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and you guys kind of get the picture already. That's either a 7 or 6 on as a second card. So now once you have that set up, now you go to your spectator. I didn't do a shuffle in the beginning, but you can do all kinds of fake shuffles here and there. Whatever whatever feels comfortable, and what makes you feel comfortable that that makes you feel that the deck is mixed up. So now you're gonna say, okay, you're gonna tell your spectator cut half of the deck and then keep it. So now they keep it. So now they have the 6s and 7s. So now I'm just going to tell them hold on to it. Don't move anything. I just want you to hold on to it. Now what you're going to be doing with the second deck is going to be getting the card. Now what you're going to be doing here is that you're going to be placing their card in the 7th position. Now what I mean is that, or how you're going to do is that you're going to get in the 7th position, and to get in there, what I like to do personally is that I like to go ahead and grip the top 6 cards. So let me give you guys what beneath I do. So what I do is that I pretty much hang on to these 6 cards, and then make it like as if I'm trying to fan the cards, so he or she, the spectator, can grab their card. And then when they grab their card, so let's say they grab the ace of diamonds, I pull away, and so now I have these 6 cards in my hand. So these are the 6 cards right here. And so now I have these cards, the 6 cards in this hand and the 6 cards in that hand. So now they'll be looking at it, trying to remember it. and then okay, I want you to put it right here, and that puts the card in the 7th position. All you gotta do is to put it on the 6 cards on top, and then you can do all the false shuffles or and all all whatever you want to do to make it feel like that the card is pretty much in the same, it's mixed up somewhere in this deck. So now you're going to say, okay, now let's trade decks. So now they have their card, whatever card is there, and they have that, and now you have the deck with the 6s and 7s. So now what you're going to do is that you're going to tell them that you're going to deal down cards one by one, and you're going to tell me to stop whenever you feel that you're ready. So pretty much, so these are like possible scenarios. So if I go, let's say stop here, which is not gonna be a 6 or 7. So let's say it's the queen. Let's say, oh, okay, you stop down the queen of hearts, but now you're gonna manipulate them and say, okay, since the next card would have been a 7, or 7, whatever. So then you tell them to. That's how you pretty much manipulate if they don't land on the 6 or 7. Now I think if they do, sorry, I don't mean to cheat, but I'm looking for the 6 just to give you an idea of what happens if they land on the 6 of what to say, because every magician knows what to say, because they have a plan. So let's say if they landed on the 6 of diamonds, so now you're gonna say, okay, I want you to do it on 6 cards, and then the next card will be your card, and all that. So that's how you pretty much manipulate them, of that, that card, so 6 down, the next card will be the ace of diamonds. So it's a pretty cool trick, pretty simple and all that. It just takes a little practicing of what you say and pretty much how you do it. I seen Rich Ferguson done this trick before. He did it in a super cool way, similar like this, but I really think this is a cool trick to do, especially to at a party, or you're just sitting down with friends saying like, hey, you want to see a magic trick and all that. The only thing is that you just gotta there's a little setup. So I mean, just be prepared. If you are gonna do this trick, just be prepared. Alright guys, that will pretty much do it for this trick, the 7th card. Now, before I go, I'm very sorry for not posting anything this last year. I mean, I was so busy doing stuff and all that. And then I haven't really practiced magic within that 1 year. So I'm just trying to get back all my skills, and I'm kind of like relearning, so I'm kind of like back to beginner. But I think that this trick though is a good beginner trick, and hopefully it will lead to my path to where I was before I stopped making magic videos on JMagic Watts. But that'll pretty much do it, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up, and also if you leave a nice comment down below, you may win. You're automatically entered into the positive comment shout out of the day. But guys, thank you very much once again. I'll see you guys in my next magic video.